I decided to come to Damon Gettier Associates when I got my license because I was looking for an environment where they were very hands-on with the training. You learn a lot with your actual license training, but you don't learn what you need to do day to day. So I love that they have hands-on training. And even once you finish becoming a new hire onboarding, it doesn't stop there. Every single week we're still learning new. And I think that's going to be what helps you, if you decide to come here, come out ahead. My experience with the training has been awesome. From day one, you have a step-by-step plan that you are able to follow that allows you not only to learn the basics, but it helps you to actually get out in the environment, get out in the area, and help real people. The advice I would give you before you got into real estate, if you're curious about the finance side of things, is to make sure that you have a good plan of how much things are going to cost while you are learning and getting your feet wet with a brand new career. I would recommend that you have some money put to the side so you can then really step back and just focus on the training. Of course, one benefit of coming to Damon Gettier Associates is we have a lot less expenses compared to some of our competitors. So that did make it a little less stressful as I was starting something new. We have a lot of technology in place that allows us to easily communicate with our customers, whether we're talking to buyers or sellers or people that just call in that have questions. So it's one less thing that you have to worry about on your own personal device. The environment here is really friendly. There's a lot of awesome people here that you'll get to know. But the thing that I like the most is that most of the people that are here to be successful. So we can share stories and tips and tricks and learn from each other while also having a friend to talk to from time to time.